Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial today I'm going to tell you how to make graph in Excel. Suppose you have data in two-dimensional in X and Y, and now you are going to create a graph, and this will be very interesting. You may have seen that there are different types of graphs available in Excel, but you do not know how to create it. So let's watch it how to do it. So before making that, I have to prepare some data. So let me quickly make some data in it. Suppose I'm going to make a sales table. Suppose I have sales on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday. Okay. And suppose I have two items in it. Suppose I have mobile and the suppose laptop. And now I'm going to put some entry in it, some quantity. Suppose on this day I have sales around 30 and this one has 40, and suppose this is again 20 and 50. Just entering the data in order to see the graph. And suppose this is again 40 and 60, and it is maybe 60, and this is suppose 10. And now the last one, suppose it is 80 and 60. So I have a different quantity in this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make a graph. So we will just select all the entries, just select from like this and go to insert. You can see the menu bar, insert, and once you go there, now you can find the different charts over here. Now if I click on this 2D line, and if I go any of these charts, we can find the different kind of graph. So if I click on this, so we can see that chart has been created, and in the x-axis we can see this mobile and laptop, and the y-axis we can see the quantities. And now we can also switch or change this layout. Suppose just go to this chart type. So once you go this chart type, we can find different kind of charts available in the Excel, like column and pie chart, bar chart. So whatever you select, and suppose if I click on this pie chart, okay. Now if I click on this and now select on OK, you can see that it has changed, right? And this is for mobile, yeah, it is showing for mobile. And if I now go and change the type again, suppose you have different pie chart options like this. Now if I go for column, we have this clustered column and the other one. So if I click on this clustered column and select on OK, we can see a nice graph here, like you can see the Monday, Tuesday, all the days are in the x-axis and quantity in the y-axis. So in this way we can actually make this a nice chart, nice graph. And also you can select switch the row. Suppose in the x-axis I have the days, and then you can see the option switch row and column. So if you just select this, and so this has been changed. So now we can see it back to again, yeah. So in this way you can actually make very nice design or nice Excel. Also I can show you one more thing, like if you directly change the quantity. Suppose this is 60 and you are changing to 200, and you can see that it is automatically changing in the graph. So you are changing to 100, so it is changing. So in this way you can actually create the nice chart in this. So thank you for watching, and please look into the other tutorial. I have given the link in the below description, and if you're new in the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.